Who's here on Maxwell McDarris?
Hey, Judge.
All right, so where are we on discovery?
Judge, this is our first appearance here. I believe he had one prior, but I believe discovery is complete. And we just got an offer this morning from Mr. Garahan, and Mr. McDarris would like time to consider that. And also, Mr. Garahan is going to evaluate the case for a possible PTD application.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this case for PTD, not PTD, for a plea deadline date, and you can put it on April 24th. Yes. All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Hey, Judge.
Jenna Davila.
Present, Your Honor. We approach Judge.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hello. So where are we on discovery?
Your Honor, I believe discovery at this point has been tendered to defense and it's, well, the
All right.
state's turned over what they have. This is, sir. Haven't been to court, right?
No,
Second time?
we've reset several times, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, my client was undergoing medical treatment at the time. That was the reason for the reset. Judge, I would like one more reset before the state tenders an offer. I need to get some mitigation material.
All right,
for
so
the state.
state, you, this came out as the wrong case number. Just one second.
Does it have file right here?
Oh, no. I'm just saying, when I put it in the system, the case number was incorrect. All right, so you all are gonna need to confer off docket. The next setting date I'm gonna give you all is a plea deadline date. And that plea deadline date, Ms. Ferguson, put it for May 19th. Is that good for you, counsel?
Yeah, it's at least 30 days, Judge. It will be good.
All right. All right, it will be May 19th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay. All right, are you all entering into a plea on this one?
Yes, sir.
Court is calling 2023 CR 9341 State versus Courtney Sloan. And are you Miss Sloan?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you understand you're charged with theft, $2,500 to $30,000 as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I would respectfully ask the court to follow the bargaining agreement.
All right, the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Jacob Lynn Daugherty, Daughert. All right, good luck to you. You're gonna have to do better. Otherwise, you're gonna end up in prison or Bexar County Jail for the rest of your life. All right, good luck.
Thank you.
Who's here on the case with the interpreter? Luis Zappian,
Yes, Your Honor.
if he'll come forward. All right, where are we on discovery?
Judge, I've received discovery.
And was an offer tendered?
I'm sorry?
Was an offer tendered?
Yes, it has been tendered. I did discuss that with my client, with our interpreter. We'd like to talk with the family, and also he wants to watch some videos, so I'd like to set it for a plea. But not today.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this back for April 21st. All right, thank you.
May I do the 22nd instead?
Sure. All right, Ms. Ferguson, put it on April 22nd. All right, any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, on that date, on April 22nd, either you're going to be in a jury trial or either this agreement will be an agreement will be reached.
Thank
All
you,
right,
Judge.
thank you. Once he signs the reset form, he can be excused.
Okay.
Who's here on Felipe Reyes?
Scott Sullivan, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Reyes, come down. So have you all reached an agreement or no?
No, we were not able to. He was about to take room last time. In my discussions with him then and today, he wants to proceed on the trial.
All right, do you want a bench trial or jury trial?
Jury trial for the time being, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, put this on the docket for April 24th. All right, that's your jury trial date.
And thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
I'm sorry, you know what, Ms. Ferguson, not the 24th, put it for the 23rd. Yes,
And I will get the Padilla work done just in case, Your Honor.
all right, thank you. All right, are there any applications?
No, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2025 CR 001617, State versus Mario Alberto Ramos Jr. Could I have parties announce?
Andrew Harris Sadelman for the state.
Joseph Appelt for the defense.
And are you Mr. Ramos Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I believe I've received all discovery, Your Honor, and yes.
All right, state, I need a signature. Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ramos, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ramos, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 147 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, sir.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
With permission of the court, Your Honor, yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
He's taken responsibility for this actions, Judge. He does have 147 actual days in the Bexar County Jail. We would respectfully request you to follow the plea bargain and find that this be judgment satisfied.
All right, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 147 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, give you credit for any time served. And if the judgment is satisfied, they will so note in the record. We can go off the record. I've told other people before, and I'm going to tell you, if you continue doing what you're doing, 1 or 2 things are going to happen. Either you're going to be a permanent resident at somebody's jail or somebody's prison, or either somebody's going to be identifying your body. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have an issue, there are plenty of places in San Antonio that are free that will help you. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you can't find a place, if I'm still here, you can come back and I'll help you find a place. All right?
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Who's here on Lynn Wayne Marin? And I have one more case after this, then we're taking our recess. Hello, thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what is happening with this case?
It's our first appearance and obviously there's some discovery that cannot be provided through
Yes.
e-discovery.
All right,
So
Ms.
I've made-
Ferguson.
I've made an appointment with the state to go ahead and view that.
Ms. Ferguson, I need a 45-day reset. And I'm giving you a 45-day reset based upon the nature of offense and because I know you have to go.
Yes.
And I should say, go to the DA's office to view things.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so you are going to come back on May 22nd. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, court is calling 2020 CR 7593, State versus Ariana Fuentes. Can I have parties announced for the record? State? Defense?
Todd Coronado.
And are you Miss Ariana Fuentes?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Ariana Yalen Fuentes who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 7593 for the offense of theft from a person on June 2nd, 2021 for a period of 3 years and extended for a total of 1 year? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violating condition number 2, on or about the 29th day of January 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Ariana Yellen Fuentes, did in there fail to submit to drug testing, which as directed by the court officer or supervision officer and or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
Whether you remain violating condition, Your Honor.
Any objections to the
Objection, Your
waiver?
Honor. No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 180 days in this, I'm sorry, up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court would find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and it's continued the individual on probation and denies the motions with alternate amend to put a hair follicle on release and monthly urinalysis. Also for her to provide a good address where she was living. And also sober support meetings weekly for 60 days. And then also we requiring or requesting a 6-month extension.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes.
And again, we are in agreement with that. And just like to point out to the court, she has completed her direct class. She got her GED with the first couple of months on probation. She's paid all her fines and court costs and everything, and she's been clean for 8 to 10 months, which the hair follicle should show that. So we are in agreement with the
Well,
recommendation.
why isn't she doing her UAs?
May I speak, Your Honor?
Yeah, can you raise your right hand?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Ariana Yalin Fuentes.
Yes, why are you not reporting for your UAs?
So I am currently a full-time student at an Academy for Massage Therapy School, Your Honor. And it revolves all of my time and all of my day. I go to school from 8 in the morning to 2:30 I'm in class. And then after that, I attend internship from 2:30 all the way to 10 at nighttime. So I'm constantly busy at school. The only day I do have off is Sunday. So by the time that comes, I don't really have time to do anything. And I'm on a call line. So the call line that I call, I'm at school. Sometimes I'm taking 2 tests a week. So I'm busy. My main focus is on
So
school.
here's the thing. I understand that people have other things they want to do. They're busy. But when you're on probation, you're on probation. I don't know what people don't understand that probation should come first. I know people are trying to better their lives, but probation should come first. And she's been here before and I've altered amended conditions for her before. And I've asked her to do sober support meetings. Did she do those?
No, Your Honor, I did not. I know it's not an excuse and I agree that probation does come first. But I've been trying to fix my life and I have a goal to open up my own business and
But
start.
here's the thing, they're asking for you to do sober support meetings. I've already ordered sober support meetings. And there's no excuse for not having done those because sober support meetings, they're available 24/7 throughout the city. They're available on Sundays, they're available Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, at all times of the day. So I don't even understand why probation is recommending that she do sober support meetings. I've already did that. She didn't do them. I've already extended her. She didn't do well. I already asked for weekly testing for levels. And I will tell you, the only reason why I would ask for weekly testing for levels is because she's using. If she wasn't using, I wouldn't have asked for levels.
She insists she's been clean for 8 to 10 months, which like, again, the hair follicle will show that if that's true.
Well, I mean, we would have known that if she would have done the testing. I don't think probation is a good fit for her.
And Your Honor, also, I'm on a call line, so I'm on random drug tests as well. So I'm not sure. I don't know whenever I take a drug test. It's not like I intentionally.
No, that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be random, so you don't know because there are
Oh,
some
yes, ma'am. I
drugs that stay out of your system. And what's the number one thing I always tell people? I always tell them, if you have an issue with probation or things are going on and you can't do something, come to court, let us know. She didn't do any of that.
I actually try to reach out to you plenty of times through my probation officer.
No, I already said, if you have an issue with probation, you can come to court. Do I not say that all the time?
All the time.
So I don't think probation is good for you.
But she
I-
did, I'm sorry,
Go ahead.
she did ask her probation officer if she could have a meeting set up with you, in the court to talk to you, several months ago, I guess.
Yeah, my probation.
She
I
did
was
reach out
trying
real
to
quick.
talk to you about all my achievements and stuff that I've been completing and let you know that I've been doing good.
Mhm.
And I know I missed a few calls. It wasn't intentionally, like I said, I don't.
No, I mean, even, here's the thing. You're in school, you're doing whatever, I understand. But there's no reason to be missing the sober support meetings because they're available 24/7 throughout the city.
I would be like, it's not an issue that I can't do it. It's just in a school where I do a whole year of education in 6 months. I'm a slow learner. I have to study 2 times, 3 times harder than usual.
Mhm.
So it's harder for me, but I've been putting my time and my effort into this. And today I was supposed to graduate today on the 7th. Today's my graduation. But I'm here.
I mean, you're here because you violated probation. That's why they have a warrant for you. I honestly don't think probation is appropriate for her.
I think she should be given a chance to finish out her probation. I'm pretty sure. And she'll confirm that she'll be able to finish out probation.
But I mean, we're
successfully.
here for, I do believe we're here for the same thing that we've been here before. Everything that probation is asking her to do now, that you all have agreed to, I've already given that to her and she didn't do it. And now we're back and they're asking for the same thing. It's not as though we're dealing with a 4-year-old. How old are you?
23, Your Honor.
All right, so she knows. Probation, what has she done on probation? Has she completed anything? Well, I mean, because those are waived if she completed Turning Point. Okay,
I also, may I speak, Your Honor?
yes.
I also got my diploma as requested.
Mhm.
I paid off all my fees as
Mhm.
well. My address is up to date. I understand that they haven't been able to come to my house. So I'm at school. I have proof that I'm at school. I have my progress report with all my grades.
I don't think she's appropriate for probation, but I would consider a 1244
Okay, Judge,
if there's no objection.
no objection.
All right, the court is, yes. All right, do you want to explain to her about 1244 and ask whether or not she's waiving her right to appeal?
Judge, how many days would you consider? I don't know how many days she has. How many days is it? Gets 30 days credit, so we're asking for 1244 for 30 days, judgment set.
No, Judge.
All right, what I'll do is, I'm not gonna do the 30 days. I'll do 60 days. Give her credit for any time served. Is she waiving her right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court will grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 60 days in the Bexar County jail, jail under 1244, give you credit for any time served. So here's the thing, Bexar County Jail, they give people sometimes 2 for 1. I'm not in charge of whether you get 2 for 1 or not. The only thing that I can do is I could put on the directive, this person is to do day for day time, which would mean you would have to do the full 60 days. I'm not doing that. What time you get at what credit you receive from the jail, that is strictly up to Bexar County Jail. So if Bexar County Jail wants to give you 2 for 1, that's up to them. What I can tell you is, if you're not a trustee, trustees usually for every day they serve, they get credit for 3 days. It appears you're not in red, so they're probably going to give you credit every day is 2 days.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything else?
So does this mean I'm gonna be a felon?
Yes,
So is there a way that I can get this off my record?
you have to speak to your attorney.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Maybe she's,
Yes.
thank you.